In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar View. By the end, you'll know how to place tasks on specific dates, set multi-day timeframes, and make your calendar reflect your real schedule with just a few clicks. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and the space or folder where your tasks live. If you work in multiple areas, switching to the right one before you start will ensure the tasks show up in the right place on your calendar. Next, navigate to Planner. In many setups, Planner is the calendar view. You'll typically find it along the top bar of views or in the left sidebar, depending on how your workspace is organized. If you don't immediately see Planner, look for Calendar. Teams sometimes label it differently, but the functionality is the same. Once you're in, you'll see a grid of days for your chosen week or month. Now, click on the date or dates you want to customize. If you're planning a single day task, click that day once. For a multi-day task, click and drag across the date range to set a custom span. You can also use the date picker that appears to choose a start and end date, which is useful if you're scheduling something that runs across several days or even weeks. This is where the calendar really becomes powerful because it lets you visualize timing exactly as you plan it. When the task card or pop-up appears, click on the area that says Add Title or Task. Give your task a clear, action-oriented name so it's easy to recognize at a glance on the calendar. If prompted, confirm the location or list where the task should be saved. This helps keep everything organized. While you're here, you can optionally adjust details like assignees, priority, or tags if your team uses them. These don't change the dates, but they make the task easier to manage later. Finally, click Save. Your task will appear on the calendar on the exact dates you selected. If you need to refine the timing, you can usually drag the edge of the task to extend or shorten the range, or drag the whole item to a new date. Double-clicking will open it again so you can adjust the title or details without starting over. That's it. Log in, open Planner, select your date or date range, add your task title, and save. Follow these steps and your ClickUp calendar will display your schedule exactly the way you need.